Hi, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Two Wheels Paradise. My name is Meshak as usual, and thank you so much for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch my videos. Today, I just want us to have fun. On this particular day, I was requested by a client who purchased a brand new motorcycle from the showroom to ride that bike to their home because they did not have enough experience to handle the city traffic. So they contracted me to take the bike to their apartment in Westlands. And on my way back, I requested an online motorcycle taxi. In Kenya, we call them Boda Bodas. And I just want to show you how Nairobi city looks like from the eyes of a motorcycle passenger. Just watch the video and have fun. Cheers.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the